Hello, and welcome to FTx Academy. My name is Michael, your Lifeline technician. Today I'm going to be showing you how to read and reply to dashboard messages on your POS. To start, you'll log into the register as normal, which will take you to the POS home screen. On this screen, on the right side, we have our Messages module. Here we have two tabs, Unread and Read. Under the Unread tab, this will show you a list of all of the messages that your account has not read from corporate. Tapping on the Read tab shows you a list of previously sent messages that have been marked as read. Tapping on an unread message displays the message and gives you the option to reply within the POS. Additionally, it also marks that message as read for your account and moves it over to the Read tab. Once you have finished reading the message and possibly sending the reply that you need to, on the left-hand screen, tap Home, which will take you back to the POS homepage. Thanks for hanging out with us. Want to sharpen your skills, save time, and earn some cool certificates along the way? Hit that subscribe button and keep learning with FTx Academy. See you in the next video.